how to restore default launcher on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. So after click on apps, click on choose default apps. So after click on choose default app, click on home app. You will see home app is here, so click on home app. So after click on default home app, launcher app is showing here. So if you want to restore, so click on one UL home screen. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can restore default launcher on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.